In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Artistly for educational materials in Artistly AI. Artistly AI is a great tool for creating visuals for presentations, online courses, worksheets, social media lessons, and educational videos. Instead of spending hours designing graphics manually, you can generate them in seconds. Start by describing exactly what you need. For example, you can type prompts like science classroom illustration, history infographic, or educational chart with clean modern design. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will look. You can also choose different styles depending on your audience. For kids, use colorful cartoon-style visuals. For professional training or online courses, use cleaner and more realistic designs. Another helpful tip is keeping your layout simple. Educational visuals work best when the information is easy to read and not overloaded with effects or distractions. You can also use direct editing to refine diagrams, improve text placement, or adjust colors for better clarity. And finally, save your best prompts so you can quickly create matching educational materials for future lessons and projects. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.